Hi everybody, this is Dustin from the Equipment Lock Company, and I want to take you through some of the design changes that we've made to our rolling door lock family. This is our standard style rolling door lock, made for roll-up style doors here like you see on our box truck. First off, this is our old style, so you can see while it works very, very well, unfortunately theft has gotten to the point where we need to upgrade the lock a little bit. So you can see how the standard version fits here, and then I will show you the upgraded version. Okay, this is our new style rolling door lock. Same as the old one, it does have a bottom plate here that requires you to shut the door down on the plate, and then you install the outer part of the lock over the plate, push to lock it. This one features reinforced plating here on the left side to further guard the handle from attack. So much upgraded and much more hardened than the last version. Hope that video was helpful. If you have any questions or comments, give us a call or visit us at equipmentlock.com.